Download Slide Design app and open it. Put your phone near your candy light. When the candy light has the green light on, this means that it is connected to your phone. Now put your phone near the candy light remote control. Push the big button with the connect symbol. When the remote has the red light on, this means that it is connected. Now you don't need to use your mobile anymore. Push the button to switch on your candy light. One button is to change the colors. The other one is to change the intensity of the light. Now you can switch off the remote control.